Affiliate marketing is when you use a service that you love and you want to recommend it to more people so they can use it. Now, this can be a one-time payment or it could be a monthly, so let me explain both. Monthly means you use a free option of your favorite service and that has an affiliate program in it, and you let people know in your affiliate links. By the way, you need to do something, and you can't skip this part because you're in trouble if you make this mistake. So you get monthly income each month. So that the other thing you need to do if you get in trouble, when you put your affiliate links in your description, you need to put a disclaimer in the description too saying, I earn a commission from this affiliate product or link at no extra cost to you. And you want to put no extra cost to you so they know they don't cost extra. And then let's say if you're helping out the channel. Alright. Now the one-time payment will be like a Amazon affiliate where you can give people affiliate, not give, what am I saying here? Put the affiliate link for a product to use on Amazon or stuff like that, and then you get one-time payment. But here's another disclaimer myself. If you provide products to people that you don't use and they fail, people are starting to lose your trust. And then when next time you refer something to them, they won't buy it no more. They won't trust you. So they won't buy it, then you won't get paid. So only prefer stuff that you use. And if you don't want to see other way to make money on YouTube, or just a entrepreneur yourself, click this video on the screen on what's next, and I see you there. Bye.